Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to implement the set operations on relational databases using our SQL. Discussing the various relational algebra operations, we already discussed about the various set operations like union, intersect, except, etc. In this session, let us see how these operations can be implemented using our SQL. We are using the select statement to implement these operations. So this union keyword returns a union of two select statements. The intersect operation returns only those rows that are common to both the queries. The except operation returns all the distinct tuples selected only by the first query but not by the second. It is equivalent to the minus operation, that is, it is equivalent to the set difference A minus B. So it returns only those tuples selected by the first query but not by the second. By default, the union, intersect or the except operation automatically eliminates the duplicates. And if you want to retain these duplicates, we have to make use of the keyword all along with this union, intersect and except. An example for our union operation. We have to find out the set of all courses taught either in the third semester of 2019 batch or in the fifth semester of 2018 batch or both. So first we have to find out the courses taught in the third semester of 2019 batch. So the query is select course ID from section where semester is equal to third and year is equal to 2019. Similarly, we can find out the set of courses taught in the fifth semester of 2018 batch as select course ID from section where semester is equal to fifth and year is equal to 2018. Now we are going to combine these two queries using the keyword union to find out the set of all courses that taught either in the third semester or in the fifth semester or in both. Okay, so now the query becomes select course ID from section where semester is equal to third and year is equal to 2019 union select course ID from section where semester is equal to fifth and year is equal to 2018. Example for the Intersect command. We have to find out the set of all courses taught in the third semester of 2019 batch as well as in the fifth semester of 2018 batch. That means we have to find out the common tuples. Okay, we have to find out the common courses that are taught in the third semester as well as in the fifth semester. So now let us see how we are going to write the query. So first step, we have to find out the set of courses taught in the third semester. Then we have to find out the courses taught in the fifth semester. Then we have to find out the courses taught in the third semester as well as in the fifth semester. So the query becomes select course ID from section where semester is equal to third and year is equal to 2019. Intersect select course ID from section where semester is equal to fifth and year is equal to 2018. So the keyword intersect returns us with the rows that are common to both the relations. So here we want to find out the set of courses taught in the third semester as well as in the fifth semester. So the common tuples from the common courses from the third semester as well as the fifth semester will be returned. Example for the except command. Find out all the courses taught in the third semester but not in fifth semester. Okay, so as in the previous case, first we have to find out the courses taught in the third semester. Then we are going to find out the courses taught in the fifth semester. Now we have to find out the courses taught in the third semester but not in fifth. Okay, so we have to perform this A minus B. It should be in the first query. It should satisfy the first query, but it should not be in the second query, right? So the correct operation we can use here is the except or the minus command, right? So now the query becomes select course ID from section where semester is equal to third and year is equal to 2019, except select course ID from section where semester is equal to fifth and year is equal to 2018. So it returns the tuples from the third semester but not in the fifth semester. Now let us discuss about null values. SQL allows the use of null values to indicate the absence of an information about the value of a particular attribute. The SQL provides a special comparison operator is null to test whether a column value is null, or the predicate is not null test for the absence of null value. Okay, so we can make use of this is null and is not null comparison operator to test whether the attribute value is null or not. For example, find out all courses that appear in section relation with null values for year. So the query is select course ID from section where year is null. The, the results of an arithmetic expression is null if any of the input value is null. For example, if a query has an expression instructor.salary plus 5000 and if instructor.salary is null for a particular tuple, then the result must also be null for that tuple. That is, the result of an arithmetic expression is null if any of the input value is null. Okay. When we are performing the comparison that involves a null value, the SQL treat the result as unknown. The usual interpretation of the logical connectivities like and, or, and not can be extended to cover the case when one of the argument is unknown. Okay. So if you are using the logical connective and, the result of true and unknown is unknown, false and unknown is false, unknown and unknown is unknown. If you are using the connective or, the result of true or unknown is true, false or unknown is unknown, unknown or unknown is unknown. And for the not connective, the result of not unknown is unknown. In this video, we discussed about how to implement various set operations like union, intersect and set difference using our SQL. Thank you.